Welcome back everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to build a mini firewood shed. I say mini because it is not a full-size shed. It is a scaled down construction of a shed to house a small amount of firewood. I don't have a need for a lot of firewood. My gas fireplace actually functions quite well in a blackout. I get lots of heat just from that alone in the winter time. It heats up the entire house. I have a 2-story house. So the firewood that I have is mostly scraps from the wood shop. I haven't been very good at finding a solution for storing all the scrap wood. I've got one pile after another pile after another pile, and you get the idea. It just accumulates so fast if you're doing regular woodworking. I use it for firewood for the outside fire pit that I have. I don't recommend that you burn any painted wood or treated wood. Plywoods I tend not to burn as well because those are manufactured. When it comes to MDF or any manufactured boards, do not burn those. They are terrible, they're toxic. It's meant to be a full-size shed, but I'm just scaling it down to a smaller shed. For this project I'll use my Porter cable framing nailer, and I will be using 3 1/4 inch 30-degree framing nails. These are galvanized, meant for outdoor use. Now usually framing nails will come in large quantities. You know, it could cost you $40 or $50, and that makes complete sense because normally you'd be using it for a construction job and you're going to go through a ton of nails if you're framing a house or a barn or a shed or whatever. This is really just a small project. I didn't want to have to go out and buy a $50 box of nails. So a quick tip for you guys is if you go to Home Depot or you go to Lowe's, even in the rental center, they'll usually have smaller quantities of these nails for about $15. For the shed walls, I'm going to use Chalet board. That's what this is called. This is a plywood product. It's approximately 1/4 inch plywood with a sort of rustic cedar exterior finish. You can paint or stain the Chalet board. It's fairly cheap. It was about $25. So it's probably the cheapest option. What I will do is use the entire sheet for the 3 sides that I need. that concludes building a mini firewood shed. All the piles that have been lying around in front of my garage, at the side of my house, have now been stored nicely and neatly in this new firewood shed. The Ondura roof panels that I had left over from my big shed project last year came in really handy to make a roof out of it. So if you're ever wondering what to do with your corrugated roof material, this is a great kind of project to put together and use this for. All it really cost me was the pressure treated 2x4 that I had to purchase, and the rest of the materials consisted of the leftover Ondura roof panel and any scrap wood or boards that I had lying around to finish it off. If you want to help keep this channel going, head on over to my donation page right over here. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. There are a couple more videos on this side you can watch. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.